like crazy. Let's go, Dusty! Alrighty guys, the sun has set. The crew's over here hanging out. Everybody's having a good time. Kids are catching some crabs, playing some games, all that fun stuff. And you guys know how it goes. We're just kicking back, waiting for that reel to start singing to us.
Yes sir, feeling big tiger tonight. The water's clear, got plenty of jellyfish, which means turtles, which means tiger sharks. So. That's
right. Hopefully we'll get our hands on a big tiger tonight. That'd be awesome.
Yes sir.
Let's do it. Woo!
It's counting.
All right. Oh. So what we're gonna do is when we feel like he's got the bait down, I'm gonna push the lever all the way forward, and then you're just gonna reel as fast as you can. Oh, Dusty! Look at you! I am so excited. I don't want to go that way. I got you. I'll grab your feet and let you in.
I don't want to go out there with you.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reel like crazy. Let's go, Dusty! Keep your weight back. Keep your weight back. Keep your feet even for me too. Look, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. We're just setting that hook, getting all that slack out. Keep going, keep going. Come on, keep going. Look at that ride! Come on, Dusty! Keep going, keep going, keep going. There it is!
Go on, Dusty! Get that arm work!
Go, Dusty! Even. Yeah, put them even. There you go, side by side. Come on, reel! There you go, keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling. Let me get on the reel side. We want to punch that hook right in this corner. Come on. That looks like it. Keep going, man. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Hey, just stand beside him. Put your left arm around him and start reeling. Come here quick, though. He's about tapping. Put your left arm around him. There you go. Start reeling, start reeling. There you go. There it is, there it is. We just want to keep that line super tight, guys. Keep going, there you go. There you go, boy. Yeah. Here, give it to me. There we go. There you go, real consistent. There you go. That lever back. All right, there you go. Put him out, put him out. Come on, go. That's all I have. Put that in your hands up there.
Y'all leave it there.
Hold on just a second. She's pulling. Woo, Lord. There you go. Now go. Here you go. There you go. There you go. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to get into a pump and reel scenario. So you're going to sit all the way back, sit back like you're sitting in the chair, and then drop the rod and reel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And just pull. There you go. There it is.
Watch out.
Just reel into it super tight.
Can you see?
And then sit back, use that body weight. There it is. Boom. There it is. Back to it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it.
Y'all think he's halfway in yet?
No, sir.
He needs a chair back there.
Come on, y'all work together.
Get ready, bud.
Here, Danny. Ty, I got you. Here, what's it? Go, Ty, go. Wow, yeah, we've been 5.5 minutes. Look at the real bandit. He said they're just 600 yards now. Because the line was purple, now it's color.
Is he pulling hard? Nice.
Yeah, the shark.
That's it, y'all.
That's it. Go, Ty. Yes.
That's it.
Hold him tight.
Come on. Look at the line angle. It's still right.
Miss Erin.
Keep going.
Miss Erin, send me the video. You got it, baby.
Good try, quick and go.
Let's try to get it.
That line's super tight.
Oh, yeah.
Seems like he's just kind of beyond.
Go, Ty, go. Yeah, that's 10 football
still got it. Just be still.
It's tough to be still when she's rolling in.
Oh, come out. You get it.
Yeah, there you go. Do that pump reel. Pull back and then get a reel. Just a couple. You don't need a bunch. There you go.
There you go, Dusty.
Boom, there it is. Get a couple reels. Pull back. Look at that. There it is.
Yes, and Bo, y'all back up. There you go, hey boy. Nope, not that
gather
way,
in line
buddy.
now.
This way, buddy.
Look at that. That's you and the beast, man. That's you and the beast right there.
Look at that. Dusty's made his time. We got the muscles.
There it is. Yeah, just face your chest as square as you can to where that line's going out.
Ty, help me.
There we go. She's swimming in with us, it feels like. There you go.
It's getting a little closer.
That's just that line trying to... Woo! Yeah, there we go. I don't feel like you got to reel through it. If she's pulling hard, we'll let her go. Hold on, see, she's coming real tight. Now reel. So watch that rod tip. You got to get on the leader. There we go, y'all. Now pull.
Well, it does have
You got leader. We're just going to keep it tight.
Leader?
There you go. Just keep it tight. Go ahead and switch out. Let him be on it. There you go.
He's dead.
Fine. That's right.
Yeah, but we haven't seen the shark yet, so we don't know. Well, I really want to see.
All right, y'all. Pop this other one off for me. I got you here. Go ahead and step out.
He has a shark.
You're good. You can just let that slack be.
Whoa! It's a tiger!
Beautiful tiger shark.
Daddy, that's not big! Daddy!
Look how beautiful these fish are, man. They are just gorgeous fish. If you don't want to get wet, man, you come on with us. You can come on with us for sure. These fish are beautiful, dude. We're just gonna swim her out. Him or her, Adam.
Wow, look how big. Go.
Yeah, there she goes. Woo! Yeah, brother! Congrats, dude! That's a big old tiger, guys. Good work, y'all. Woo!
Hey, who knew it was over the one?
That is awesome, guys. Dude, congrats, brother. That's tough work, man. How do legs feel? Congrats, guys. That's awesome, man.
What is going on, guys? Hope you guys enjoyed that video. What an awesome night it was. Early July, middle of summer, big old tiger shark. It's a nice surprise this time of year to see some tigers. We get some tigers every once in a while, but this time of year, as you guys have seen in previous videos, we get a lot of hammers, black tips, and bull sharks. So to get our hands on a good summertime tiger shark is always a nice treat, and we had such a fun time with that group there. But wanted to let you guys know we are like midway through July now. We are completely booked up for July, but if you guys want to book your fishing adventure with Gulf Coast Nation this fall, head on over to gulfcoastnation.com. Link is in the description below to book your experience with us this fall. In the fall time, spring and fall, we get a big influx of tiger sharks. So if that is something on your bucket list, go check it out. Like I said, link in the description below. But wanted to give you guys a couple heads up. One, as you can see, we got a brand new editing software, computer setup. It's a custom build that we just had done by our good friend, John. This is his Instagram page here. It's PC Mods by John, PC_mods_by_John. Go check him out, guys. He hooked us up awesome with the dual screen. He got the custom computer back here so we can edit you guys videos faster, more effectively, and in better detail. I am still trying to push myself every week to bring you guys the best content that we can possible. We got some camera upgrades coming in the future, so we're just gonna continue to grow here at Gulf Coast Nation to bring you guys better content. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell notifications so you guys can get notified when we post. We post every single Tuesday. But let's wrap this thing up. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, share it with your friends, and as always, we'll catch you guys next week. Boom!